Alrighty, today's the day, right? You don't look excited about it. We're gonna get the chute system installed. Got the cows all look thrilled about it, but yeah, we're gonna put it right here in this barn. All right, so far, learning as we go. Got to tighten up some of this stuff yet, but this is the gist of it so far. Got a slide gate here. But gonna line the chute up here, get it on. Alright, we got the chute on there. Next thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna go grab the rest of some of the gates and panels and maybe get them up. Alrighty, so far, didn't get much done after I videoed last. I had to make these brackets to attach to the beam here. I had to do some measuring and finding some materials, but got that gate mounted. So this bottom part's ready. Sweep everything's together, chute. Now I just need to work on the next section of catch corral, which will go from here with the gate and go to that beam over there in the middle of all those cattle. In theory, should finish that tomorrow, and might try to run them through first time tomorrow. See how they cooperate. So, catch you later. Alrighty, it's the second day here. Had a little bit to do this morning, but this chute and corral system, I believe, is ready to go. I had to custom make some brackets to attach to these beams here. Got that last bracket made up there. Got that 10-foot gate put in there. Got the last of these panels up. So essentially this will be the catch area right here. Once we get them out that side of the barn, we'll get them in here. And then we can use this small area here to gather them into the sweep. This is a 10-foot sweep, man door right here for me to go through. Get them in the sweep. Open this up. You can let a couple in here, at least 2 to 3 if you can get one on the chute. And then into the chute they go through another slide gate. And then into the chute. Palp cage on the back for vet check preg checks. Double lever. Squeeze. Quite an interesting mechanism up there. and then bar to keep their heads up. Has a nice little nifty release right there, so yeah, it should be way better what we dealt with before. I'll kind of go into that when we start working cattle here, but this is the first brand new chute I've ever owned. I've always had rigged up chutes that worked but were not efficient, so be anxious to try it out here. We're gonna probably try it out here this afternoon. We will catch you on the next video. I haven't really said this too much in my videos, but if you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe to our page, or like this video and subscribe to our page. Greatly appreciate it. And any input anybody has, any opinions are welcome. We'll catch you in the next one.